Well, it turns out that Max and Bailey got a kitten. I'm kind of hoping that a little bit of animal therapy is going to get me through the Sunday scaries, because they're pretty bad right now. Hi, dog. Hi, dog. So I was doing a little bit of packing earlier, and I'll get to that later. I got one of my old bags out, and inside of it I found this rock. This rock. So you're probably thinking like, well, what the hell's the big deal? It's a rock. This one has a lot of sentimental value to me, and why I left it in a bag under my bed, I don't know, but that's not important. This rock came from the side of a mountain from Gatlinburg. I was down there last year with a big group of my friends. It was kind of a keepsake that I took back with me from that trip, and I think that just kind of took me back to all the awesome trips that I've had with my friends. It reminded me of all the good memories that I've had. Part of that is the reason why I started making these travel videos, because I wanted other people to see, you know, the good times that we had. I think if anything, that just kind of gave me that extra push to try and make the best stuff that I can for you guys. And I know that it hasn't always been consistent. Just keep hanging in there with me, and I promise it'll be worth it in the end. So I'm down in Indy tonight. I drove down after work. I've got a flight kind of early in the morning, and what sucks is that I'm not going to be able to fall asleep, because I always get in these weird moods when I travel where I just kind of want to skip the traveling part. But I'm going to try and get some sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. First flight's in about, I think, 30 minutes. I've got 3 flights today. So first one's to Chicago, second's to Washington, third one's to Dallas.
U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs.
So, for lack of better terms, today has just been a train wreck. I got into Jacksonville. It's the place I was going this whole time. Making the drive over to St. Augustine, which is just a little bit south. My buddy Cody's getting married, and a bunch of us are, you know, heading over there. I'm like 6 hours behind, but the Atlantic Ocean is like right over there, and I've never seen it, so I've got to get the drone out. Got here. Been traveling for like 16 hours. You boys ready for a beer? Gilson! I've known Cody for about 5 years. We went to the same college and joined the same fraternity. The last time that I saw him was last September, before he got deployed to Afghanistan. You know, it was just great to see him in person and, you know, see that he was okay. Gilson, what's up, baby? Oh! I think we're gonna go to the beach today and hang out before the wedding. About ready for the wedding. Just got to get a couple other things together.
One day.
Hey!
And who eats that biggest slice of cake?
Here we go, on our way.
Well, kind of timed the drive wrong, so we're like 10 minutes late.